All right, guys. Hey, this is Mr. H again. This is the last problem from the August 2024 Regents exam. It's a word problem. It's worth 6 points, and they like these types of word problems. They're pretty kind of standard cookie cutter word problems. Once you've seen a couple of them, they're not very difficult to solve. Let me read it and then let's jump into it. It says Jen joined the fan favorite movie club at the local movie theater. At this theater, the cost of admission in May and June remain the same. In May, she saw 2 matinee movies and 3 regular price shows, and she spent a total of $38.50. In June, she went to 6 matinees and 1 regular price show, and she spent $47.50. They want us to write a system of equations to represent the cost of the matinee ticket and the regular price ticket. So, and then the second thing they want is they want us to see if, because Jen thought that the price for a matinee was $5.75 and $9 for a regular, and they want to know if she's correct. And then the last thing they want us to do is they want us to solve for the system of equations algebraically to determine the actual cost of each ticket. So let's start by coming up with the equation and then we'll work our way through. All right, first thing, any place that you see the word matinee, you're going to replace it with M, and any place that you see regular price tickets, you're going to replace it with R. And so this is what we're going to have. Let me make this a little larger. It's going to be 2M plus 3R equals 3850, and then it's going to be 6M plus 1R equals 4750. So let's write the equations. So first equation is 2M plus 3R equals 3850. And then the second equation is 6M plus 1R equals 4750. Now, this is 2 points. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to jump down here and we're going to solve it. But we're not going to do it algebraically. We're going to do it graphically. I love graphing to find solutions. So now if we get the answers, we're only going to get 1 point for this part. This is a 2-point part, but we're going to get 1 point, and I'm going to be happy about that. I don't care if we can't get that second one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, I am going to go to the graph. These are not in function notation, so we're going to put them in as relation. So this is going to be, and I'm going to make the matinee ticket X. I'm going to make the regular price ticket Y. So this is going to be 2X plus 3Y equals 3850, 38.5. Press enter. And then we're going to do tab, and then we're going to enter the second one, 6X plus 1Y equals 4750. Press enter. Now, you don't see the intersection, so I'm just going to pull the graph paper, and there it is. That's the answer. Let's find it. We can go menu 64, press enter here. So here are the prices. The price of the matinee ticket is $6.50. The regular price of a ticket is $8.50. I'm going to go ahead and enter that, write that down. So a matinee ticket, matinee, am I spelling that right? Yeah, 2 E's. Matinee ticket is $6.50, and the regular price ticket is $8.50. I think that's what I said. Yep, got it. So that's the cost. Now, here's the thing. We really can answer the second question now. Right? If the prices are $6.50 and $8.50, they can't be $5.75 and $9. And the reason we know that is if we have 2 lines, they only have one intersection, and we found them. So that means that Jen can't be right. But let's assume that we did this in order. So basically what you should do to say, to test whether Jen is correct or not, is you should take the prices that she gave and you should store them into each equation and see if it gives you a true statement. My recommendation when you have two equations is always start with the second one, because the second one is usually the one that's false. So let's do that. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to, just like I've been doing before, I'm going to store numbers. So I'm going to store $5.75, $5.75. I'm going to store that into M for matinee. And then I'm going to store $9 in for the regular price ticket. So I'm going to find R, right? Boom, got it. And those are the tickets, they've been stored. Now I'm just going to type in this second equation, and it doesn't matter which one you use. You should check both of them. Or either one, if you get a false, you don't have to check the second one. So or the other one. So I'm going to start with the second one. So it's 6M plus 1R, and it should be 4750. So that's what I'm going to write. I'm going to write 6M plus, 6M plus 1R equals 4750. I'm going to see if this is true or false. And I got a false statement. So that's what I would write on my paper. I plugged those values in. I plugged in Jen's prices. And they did not total 4750. So her prices, so Jen is incorrect. So Jen is incorrect. Boom, done. So if you come up with the equations system, that's 2. If you answer her this question and show why it's not true, that's 2. And because we didn't do this algebraically, but we did get the answers, we would get 1 point. I'll take 5 out of 6 every day. Now, at some point, I'll go through and show you how to do it algebraically, but I think graphically is fine. This is a 6-point question. If we can consistently get 4 to 5 points on this, I'll be happy. I'll be a happy teacher. So I'll take 5 out of 6 every day of the week. All right, that's it. That's the final problem question from this midterm or this Regents exam. I hope this has been helpful. Leave a comment if there's something that you want clarification on, or if there's something else that you want me to do. I try to be flexible, and I like to put out videos that I think are useful. So if there's something that you want me to do or to explain in a little bit more detail, make sure you leave a comment. I will talk to you later. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.